MrBeast is so close to 100 million subscribers, and that's why in this video I'm gonna build MrBeast a giant custom 100 million subscriber play button. Let's do this. First, we need a plan. This is the design for the custom play button. Here's a clip of me doing it. Boom, boom, boom. But first, we need to build the base for the play button. Let's do this. Next, I must build the actual play button. Now it is time to paint the play button. The play button was going great until this happened. So I was trying to cut a hole in the center for the play button to slide into, and I accidentally broke it. And so I don't know what to do now. The YouTube play button is finally done. Take a look. Now it is the time you've all been waiting for. The time where I try to get MrBeast's attention and hopefully give him the play button. It's time for the game plan. So the idea is simple. I'm going to take photos and videos of the play button to hopefully go viral and get MrBeast's attention. Let's do this. Now we wait. I've been waiting for about 1 hour now and still nothing from MrBeast's team. There is still nothing from MrBeast's team, but while I am waiting, I want to say that people in the comments said I stole this idea, but I had this idea way before Daniel Kraft, or whatever his name is, posted his video. I had it when MrBeast had about 85 to 90 million subscribers, probably even way before that. And I wanted to wait until the perfect time, and then he posted his video when I was filming mine. And so I did not copy the idea. We had the exact same idea at the exact same time, and he was filming his video when I was filming mine. I have done everything in my power to hopefully get MrBeast's attention. Nothing's working. So hopefully, MrBeast, if you're seeing this, please comment down below. And if you're not MrBeast, click off the video right now. No, I'm kidding. I want your views. I really bad need to give this to MrBeast. And I have a few other ideas, video ideas involving MrBeast. And if he can't reply to my emails, DMs, whatever, I'm screwed. I think we just gone viral. You just fell for that, you just got rickrolled. None of that stuff happened. MrBeast didn't get back to me. None of that stuff just happened. What happened was I tricked you. I tricked the internet. I just built MrBeast a custom 100 million subscriber play button. So make sure to smash that subscribe button. We're so close to 200 subscribers. Get us to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And see you in the next video. Bye!